So first question is, if for any 2 into 2 square matrix A adjacent A is equals to 8 0 A, then write the value of A bracket. So we have to write the value of bracket A through this. So let's jump into the answer. So we can do that. As we know, adjacent we can take A adjacent A to the bracket, and that can be written as A bracket A into bracket adjacent A. As we know, adjacent A is equals to A to the power n minus 1, where n is equals to the number of the square matrix, which is equal to 2. So we can put it 2, which can be written as A square A into A. So we can write it as A bracket square. And this is the so we can write it as this. So we have to just simplify this. So we have to take the magnitude of this. So we can just write it as this will be 64 minus 0. So after that we can use that A square is equals to 64. After underrooting that, we will get A bracket is equals to 8. Magnitude A is equals to 8. Hence this is the answer. Thank you.